Hey y'all, it's Crystal and it's wash day. Some people have been asking me to do a tutorial using the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey line, and so today I've decided to give it a try. So I'm completely new to this line. I have not tried it yet, but today we're going to try it together. So I will be using the pomegranate and honey shampoo, the pomegranate and honey conditioner, and then also the pomegranate and honey curl sculpting or coil sculpting custard. And I want to stay true to the line, so I'm going to wash and shampoo my hair and style it with just the custard and nothing else, because I want to give my honest review of the product without it being tainted by using anything else that I would normally use. So I'm going to hop in the shower and then I'll be back to show you how I style my hair and give my assessment of the products. Hey y'all, I am back. My hair is cleansed and conditioned. I did have great experience using the shampoo and conditioner. My hair is clean without feeling stripped. The conditioner was nice and thick. I was really able to get to my roots and detangle my hair, and they both smell really great. So the conditioner is very thick, about the same consistency I'm used to for my deep conditioner. I'm usually a deep conditioner weekly type of person, but this was actually really nice. Only when I washed it out, my hair did feel a little coated, so that I did rinse it a little bit extra to make sure that I had washed all of the conditioner completely out. But it smells great, it feels great in your hair, and I was able to detangle my hair relatively easy with my brush and the conditioner. And then the shampoo, it does say it is a sulfate-free shampoo that lathers. It did work really well. My hair felt clean without being stripped, and then again it has that pomegranate and honey smell, so it did smell really good. It says you should be able to do like a pre-detangle with the shampoo in your hair. It's not really a feature that I'm looking for with my shampoos, but I was able to kind of run my fingers through my hair with the shampoo in it. It did have a nice lather, and my hair did again feel clean without being stripped, so it was pretty nice. So my hair is cleansed and detangled, and now I'm ready to get into styling. done, and right now I am actually really pleased with the results. I have some pretty good definition. The jar says deep definition, and as you can see, I do have some pretty good curls. I do give my hair a nice shake when I'm finished so that I can have some pretty good separation of my strands, because I don't want it to be too clumped. But as you can see right now, the definition is really good, but it is still wet, so we'll have to see what happens when it dries. I'm gonna do my best to keep my hands off of it so that I can give you some unbiased, non-tampered results. The one thing that I did see when I read directions, it was saying for best results to apply the leave-in, which I didn't have, and then another option was to apply some mint almond oil after priming the hair. But I'm not one to add oil to my hair, and I don't always use a leave-in, so we're gonna see what this does with no leave-in and no extra oil added. And then in my spray bottle, in case you were wondering, it's just water. The bottle was full when I started, and you can see I just have this little bit of water left. It said applied to dripping wet hair. So since I was out of the shower, I used the spray bottle and did my best to make sure that my hair was dripping wet. So I am going to go on with the rest of my day, and I'll make sure to post after pictures and try to keep you updated through the rest of the week to see how my style holds up in this Central Florida humidity. So y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.